The distance, rate, and time formula. Problem 2. Dash and Fred are 50 kilometers away from each other. At the same time, they both start walking towards each other at a constant rate. Dash walks 3 kilometers every hour while Fred walks 2 kilometers every hour. Dash at the same time has a dog. The dog can walk 5 kilometers per hour. This dog starts walking towards at the same time as Dash, then he turns around to walk towards Fred. Well, sorry. So he's the dog, right? The dog is right here. Not a really nice drawing, but close enough. So the dog walks to meet Fred. Then he comes back to meet Dash, then Fred. But the question is asking for how much kilometers did the dog travel in all, and I'm not gonna do all those calculations. There's probably not enough time, and that's just gonna be too frustrating. So what can I do? Is there a smarter way? Okay, so using the formulas we've learned before, the distant rate and time formula, and the total distance equals the total rate times time formula, how can we plug the values in? So we're trying to figure out the dog. So how much did the dog travel in all? Okay, so we do know that the dog travels 5 kilometers per hour, but we're not really sure about the time, are we? Are we? Because we do know that, okay, so in this problem, is a dog the only object that's moving? No, because there's also Dash and Fred. So the dog starts at the same time as Dash and Fred, and it stops at the same time as Dash and Fred. So all we really need to find is how long was Dash and Fred walking? All right, exactly. So I like our plan. So they're going to meet just right about here, and Dash walks 3 kilometers per hour, and Fred walks 2 kilometers per hour, right? Per hour. And they do is we're trying to find how long it took. Well, we do know that they are 50 kilometers away from each other, so we can do 50 divided by the sum of 3 and 2, and after that we'll get 10. So that would be 5 times 10 hours. 5 times 10 hours gives us 50. So the answer is 50 kilometers. And I think the most important part, so this is actually pretty simple in the end, but the thing I like most about this problem is it actually hints that, never really says it, but it hints that the dog and Dash and Fred, they start and they stop at the same time. That's something you should really be paying attention to, because if they don't, well, that's just another story. But if they do, that's another tip for you to get on with the problem. So, yeah, 50 kilometers is